Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage suppliers. To create a new or edit an existing supplier in your TechMan system, hover over the Products tab and select Suppliers and Depots. From here, you'll be able to see any existing suppliers in the system, along with their name, contact information, address, accounting code, and whether they're enabled. These can be edited by selecting the Edit button on the right-hand side. However, let's start by creating a new supplier. Click on New Supplier in the top right corner. From your supplier creation screen, you can enter a contact title, first name, and last name for the representative of this supplier. This is useful if you have a point of contact for the supplier, however, it is not required. Next, let's add the company name. Address line 1, postcode, and telephone number. If you'd like to add additional address information, you can also record the town, county, and address line too. However, these fields can be automatically populated using the postcode lookup feature if you choose to use it. You can then enter a mobile number if applicable, followed by the general email address for the supplier. When using the send function on a purchase order, the system will use the email address entered in the purchase order email field, so let's make sure to add that in. Similarly, when sending a return, the email address in the returns email field will be used. If you have accounting codes set up for your suppliers in your accounts package, you can record that information in the accounting code field. You can then select your account department. This may simply be your business name unless you've set up separate departments for reporting purposes such as workshop, body shop, internal, or car sales. If the supplier is VAT registered, make sure VAT registered is ticked as enabled. This ensures VAT is applied to products from this supplier when adding them to jobs or estimates. Also, make sure the supplier is marked as enabled. Don't worry, this is usually ticked by default. If the supplier only accepts a maximum number of products per return, you can enter that limit in the relevant field. This will prevent exceeding the limit when creating a compiled return. Lastly, you have the option to add a description of the supplier before clicking Save to finalize the setup. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.